Good morning, traders. Today is Super Tuesday, November 8th, midterm election day, and we are currently sitting at resistance. And at opening bell, we are likely to pull back. I think today is going to be a flattish trading range. We're going to trade in a range today, okay? I don't think there's going to be a lot of volatility. And what you are looking at on your screen right now on the splash page is upwards momentum. This is NASDAQ futures. Upwards price momentum, but slightly downward MACD, slightly downward RSI. Okay, that always means pullback. Okay, but I think this is going to be relatively shallow. It's not going to be a highly volatile day. All right, so here we have real time current futures market. You know, slightly up, not too shabby there, right? But what we're talking about here, right here is the 5 minute, as you see, the real time 5 minute, and I think this is the range we're going to be at. We are currently already at the top of the range. Okay, so we are likely going to pull back and have the MACD is already starting to curve down right here. See, this is the 30-minute right there. And right here, this is the 65-minute, is already starting to curve, flatten out, because we have reached a resistance point. All right. Now, I think this is going to be the lower end of the range today, which is basically yesterday's close. So I think we're going to just be chopping around today as the markets wait for midterm election results. Now, I have reason to believe that the GOP will come out victorious, not because I'm affiliated with them. I'm an independent voter, but I just think that they will, and markets like that. They like gridlock, right? You have a Republican Congress, and you have, even if they only take one chamber, right, the House or the Senate, it doesn't even matter which one, right? That's gridlock, because now you can't get something passed to the other chamber, or so. And so Wall Street likes that because they know there will not be sweeping legislation. That's what Wall Street is afraid of. Okay. Yeah, they will especially be afraid of if the Democrats take both the House and the Senate, which is unlikely, because then they know, oh boy, here come the green bills, here comes the anti-energy, here comes the anti-gasoline, right? Um, so that's what we've got. Let me show you one more thing. NASDAQ futures. Okay, so a moment ago you saw TQQQ. NASDAQ futures paints a very, very similar picture. In fact, check this out. See this red line? That's the resistance line. Currently, that's where we are. Exactly. Kissing it perfectly. Okay, let me zoom out so you can see the resistance line that was currently already set, back here. You could see other contact points, but primarily right there for sure, right? Okay, so, and as you see here, NASDAQ futures EMA 50 line perfectly converges right on the resistance line, okay? And see, well, look at that. Here's the SMA 20 line down here. So I think we're going to be in that range today. So I think at opening bell, we go down, actually. Down, 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 down. And then by mid-morning, mid-afternoon-ish, we're going to start going back up, 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 only to finish out flat. No, that's what I think. So the market's waiting for tomorrow. The votes are going to keep coming in during the evening. Polls close in the evening time, well after the markets close. So the markets are in a holding pattern waiting for tomorrow, Wednesday. In the event the GOP wins, I think we're going to rally tomorrow, Wednesday. So have fun trading if you plan on trading in a range trading today, guys. So I might do that. I'll see how far down it goes, and then I'll probably get some calls because I think the market is going to rally tomorrow. So, um, I had some puts that I held overnight from yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and sell that. Um, just take whatever profit that I get. It's not too much. So um, profit is profit though. So I'm going to sell my calls from yesterday, wait for this pullback, see how far down it goes, and then I'll get some more calls probably by mid-morning, mid-afternoon or so, and then likely hold those calls. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I may just scalp trade today and not hold anything overnight because, as we know, the polls will close, but the counting does keep going in overnight into the wee hours. It can go into, midnight or whatever. Um, and futures market will respond accordingly. And what I don't want to happen is just unexpected news happening with the election, only to wake up the next morning, you know, uh, with futures being down in red. So I may not hold my calls overnight. Okay, so we'll see. Uh, if I do, it maybe just be a small amount, nothing that I would lose any sleep over. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Good luck trading today.